Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be seeing how to solve day 23 of HackerRank's 30 days of code. And today's problem is based on level order traversal in a binary search tree. Our task is we are given a binary search tree and we have to perform breadth first search. That is, we have to visit each level of a tree's node. First, we have to check the left node, then the right node from top to bottom order. We are given a pointer root which points to the root node of our binary search tree, and we have to print the level order traversal of our tree. And the hint is we will find queue data structure useful, so we will try solving the problem using a queue data structure. Now let's get right into the solution. So first we must create a queue object, and it has the linked list interface. And next we have an if block here. Now in the if block we are checking if the root node equal to null, that is if the binary search tree is empty. Then we must put return semicolon statement. Now we must note that our method is of void, so if we put return -1 it will give us an error. So if we put return semicolon we won't get error, and the method will stop being executed. And we need not put the following statements in an else block, because even if the if block gets executed, it will not go here because there's a return statement and our method will stop running further. Then we have to add the root node to our queue. So we have q1 dot add root. In our while we are checking if the queue is empty, that is exclamation or not q1 dot is empty. Now we can also do this as q1 dot is empty equal to true, but even if we put it like this it implies the same. Then we are creating a node object, node equal to q1 dot remove. We must note that in this remove method we are removing the node completely from the queue, so we cannot access that specific node again. And then we are printing the data that is stored in that node. Then we are checking if node dot left not equal to null, that is if there is a continuation to our left node, then q1 dot add node left. And then we are checking if node1 dot right not equal to null, that is if our right node is also not empty, then we can add node dot right. Now we must note here that node dot left and node dot right will refer to the next level in our binary search tree. So if we have a root node on top, that is our node object, then node dot left will refer to the left node of the lower level. Now let's run our code to check if it works. Our code has passed the sample test case, so we can submit it and check if this solution works. It has passed the test cases, so we can solve it in this way also. Now, as usual, if you have any doubts or any other way of solving the same problem, do let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to check it out, and do let me know if you have any advice for me as well. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.